Wih, macam best lah. Alright, Assalamualaikum dan juga salam sejahtera. Hai, kembali lagi ke Zaf Vlog. So hari ni kita nak buat sikit reaction video tentang trailer terbaru filem Hail Mary, Project Hail Mary. Sebenarnya trailer ni baru saja keluar sekejap tadi, tapi poster dia agak viral semalam. Mungkin sebab siapa nama Muhammad ni? Alamak, siapa nama ni? Oh, Ryan Gosling berlakon kan. So jom tengok trailer ni. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Please state your name.
Ryland Grace, I just woke up from a coma. I'm several light years from my apartment. And I'm not an astronaut.
The fuck?
I'm not an astronaut. I'm not an astronaut.
If you don't go, you die. With the rest of us.
Huh? Oh.
The sun is dying. You're the only scientist who might know what this is.
I'm just a teacher at Grover Cleveland.
You have a doctorate in molecular biology. I need you to come with us. This is Project Hail Mary. The sun is not the only star dying. Every star was infected by its neighbor except one.
Why?
We don't know. Which is why we built a ship to go there and find out.
It's 11.9 light years away. The astronauts die in space.
It's what you Americans would call a long shot.
Hail Mary.
Oh.
Who on earth is going to sign up for this?
If you do nothing, everything on this planet will go extinct.
You'll find a solution.
You are my solution.
I put the knot in astronaut. I've never done anything. I've never done a space. I can't even moonwalk.
Dia bakal jadi cerita kelakar ke ni? Aduh, kesian member seorang-seorang pergi. Oh, daripada ni The Martian ni buku.
I do. My place is in the classroom.
The world is counting on you.
This might be very hard for you to understand.
Ada orang lain juga
People are not good at things.
You know who you are. You're gonna do great.
I concrete therapy in 5 hours.
Object approaching.
Oh my god.
The fuck? What is that?
So, I met an alien. He's kind of growing on me. At least he's not growing in me, you know, which was a concern for me.
Apa benda sangat? Wih, macam best lah.
I'm Grace. I'm gonna call you Rocky. Thumbs up. No, that's thumbs down. We do the thumbs up.
Dia tak boleh thumbs up. Wow. Looks good. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, sebab yelah, trailer kadang-kadang bukan sebab bila poster keluar ramai orang share poster tu, tapi aku tak tahulah kenapa apa yang best sangat kan. Sehinggalah trailer keluar ada macam, oh, now I get it. It's basically project to save the world, project to save mankind. Dia menghantar watak Ryan Gosling untuk pergi ke matahari yang tak terpadam oleh satu wave ni. And then on the way tu dia tiba-tiba jumpa alien juga. So macam it's cool, like science fiction yang nak kata kelakar tu, tapi kan dia ada buat joke tu kan, apa, grow on me semua tu kan. Kelakar gila. Apa dia guys tentang trailer Project Hail Mary ni? Boleh tinggal komen bawah. Jangan lupa like, share dan juga subscribe channel Pure Pixels. Dan jumpa lagi pada Zaf lagi akan datang. Thank you.